Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the kill box mate. In this checkmate pattern, the queen and rook team up together nicely to checkmate the enemy king that is trapped inside the box that is created with the help of queen and rook. Let us study this checkmate pattern with the help of some examples. In this position, white can checkmate the king with the move rook to d8. And now the reason it is named as a kill box mate is because white's queen and rook are forming this box inside which the black king is trapped, and this configuration where queen covers all the important squares in the position as well as covering the rook on the d8 is named as a kill box checkmate. Now let us look at some other examples. Now this is the game of Geller playing with the white pieces, and once again you can see we can create a box in this position and white can force checkmate in just two moves, starting with the move queen to c6 check. Now this move forces king to the a7 square, and once again after rook takes a8 we have the kill box mate where the queen is protecting the rook that is checking the king as well as it is covering the escape squares, and once again we have this box inside which the black king is trapped. So now let's move on to the next example. So let us jump to this position. So white's last move was queen to h6, and now black can finish off his opponent here with the move queen takes g2 check and forcing king to h5, and then once again we have the queen h3 check that forces the king to capture this pawn, and after king takes g5 we once again have this box inside which we can trap the white king, and after rook takes f5 it is once again a checkmate. In this case the white king cannot go to g6 square because it is covered with the pawn on h7, and the squares inside the box are covered by the black queen, and the black queen also defends this rook that is giving the check. So once again it's a kill box checkmate. And now I have a test position for all of you. Let's jump to this position. So white's last move was queen to d3, and it is black to play and win. It is black to play and checkmate. So you can pause the video and think how would you continue here with the black pieces. So once again black's queen and rook can team up together to create a kill box for the white king, and black can play the move queen to f2 check that forces the king to the h3 square, and once again after rook takes h4 we have this box inside which the white king is trapped, and once again the queen is protecting the rook as well as it's covering all the squares in the position, and once again it's a kill box checkmate. So this is all that you need to know about the kill box checkmate. Thank you.